Imagine you have $100 but you can trade as if you have $1,000. Sounds amazing, right? Well, that is what exactly leverage does. But here's the problem. Leverage is one of the biggest reasons beginners traders blow their trading accounts. They see people using 20x leverage, 50x leverage, and even 100x leverage. They copy them and lose everything within minutes. So in this video, I'm going to be explaining what leverage trading means in futures trading in the simplest way possible so you can understand. By the end of this video, you will understand what leverage actually is, what 5x, 10x, 20x, or even 100x leverage actually mean, how they affect your profits and how they affect your losses. Most importantly, how to use leverage safely. Alright, if you open your trading and crypto exchange, you can see right here. If you open your crypto exchange, you can see right here, this is where they put in leverage right here, and you'll be seeing different types of leverage right here. You can be seeing 1x leverage, 2x, 5x, 10x, 20x, 50x, up to 100x leverage. So in this video, I'm going to be breaking down step by step how to understand leverage. But first of all, we need to understand what is actually leverage. Now, leverage is simply borrowed money from the exchange that allows you to open a larger position than the actual money you have. It's a purchasing power. The exchange you use, Delta exchange you use, allows you to trade larger by borrowing you money than you actually have on your balance, right? Let's say you have $100. Without leverage, you cannot actually open a position. You can only open a position worth $100. Alright, so if you have $100 with that leverage, you can only open a position worth $100. But if you use 10x leverage, your buying power becomes $1,000. It doesn't mean the exchange gave you free money. It simply allows you to control much larger positions than your actual money. Alright, so think of leverage like driving a sports car. The car is most faster than the normal car, right? Now, if you actually know how to drive, you can reach your destination quickly. But if you don't know how to drive, you can also crash much faster. Alright, that's exactly how leverage trading works in futures. Alright, now let's understand, what do 5x, 10x mean? What do this 5x right here, 10x, 50x, or even 100x mean? Alright, we are going to be explaining step by step so you understand what does 5x leverage means. Let's take for example, if you have $100 with 5x leverage, you control an amount worth $500, a purchasing power worth $500. Alright, if the market moves 2% in your favor, you make around 10% of your money. But if the market moves 2% against you, you lose around 10% of your money. Also, if we are using 10x leverage, with 10x leverage, your $100 actually controls the purchasing power of what? $1,000. Now, every 1% in the market feels like 10% move on your account. Your profit grows faster, but your losses also grow faster. Now, 20x leverage. Now, what does 20x leverage means? Now, your $100 controls what? $2,000 of what purchasing power. A tiny market move can make you a lot of money using 20x leverage, or wipe out a huge portion of your account in seconds. Now, you have to understand that the higher the leverage, the less room price moves in your favor before your trade gets liquidated. Now, before we continue, let's talk about liquidation in leverage. Now, this is the part many beginners traders don't understand. When you're using leverage, the exchange has a limit on how much loss it can allow. If the market moves too fast against your trade, your position gets automatically closed. This is called liquidation. For example, someone is using 100x leverage. can get liquidated by price move around 1%. Just imagine that. A tiny candle, a little price movement, and a little market move, your entire position is gone. That is why high leverage is extremely risky. Now, step 4, how to use leverage safely. Now, how do you use leverage safely? So how do professional traders use leverage safely? First, don't think leverage makes you a better trader or it makes you very confident trader. It doesn't. It only makes you your wins and losses bigger. All right, now let's take leverage like this. If you're using 20x leverage, you can be entering a position with a trader who is using 2x leverage. All right, it doesn't mean you are a better trader. It only means that he's using 2x leverage and you are using 25x leverage, and your profit also increases. All right, your profit also increases. His own is increasing, but it doesn't increase much as your own because you're using 25x leverage and is using only 2x leverage. All right, it doesn't mean that if you're using higher leverage you are a better trader. Now, for beginners traders, you have to start with low leverage. For beginners, we always recommend you use 2x, 5x or 10x leverage, which is the accumulative or accommodative leverage for new beginners traders. Now, you always need to use stop loss. Never enter a leverage trade without knowing exactly where you will exit if you're wrong. All right, now the fifth one is risk only a small percentage of your account. Let's take for example you have $100. Doesn't mean that you should use the whole $100 and 100x your leverage. Always use the amount you are comfortable losing. All right, good risk management, it what keeps you in the game long enough for you to actually be profitable. Professional traders survive because they protect their capital first. Making money comes second. So here is the biggest lesson from this video. Leverage trading is just like a tool. It's not good, it's not bad. It all depends on how you use it. All right, use it wisely, it can grow your account, and if you use it wrongly, it can also blow your account carelessly. All right, now you have to also understand what is leverage. I'm going to talk that part again. All right, now leverage trading is just the exchange borrowing you money to trade. All right, now if you're having a $100 account, it actually gives you a higher purchasing power. All right, so that is all about leverage trading. If you've learned something from this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on post notification bell, and make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next trading lesson.